In this video, I'll show you a little bit about prefixes and what they can do. Prefixes are location text that you can place right before the caption. In Caption Builder, we have 4 location tabs, all of which can be combined together or separate, or not at all, to build a caption. For example, we can select dwelling, and you notice right here dwelling now appears. So then when we select front overview, you can see here our caption was pasted and it has the word dwelling in front of it. And then if we go to our next photo, which was address verification, dwelling address verification. Now our next photo has something to do with the roof here. So let's add the roof prefix in here. So now we have dwelling and roof. Our eave. And we can click right there, dwelling roof. Prefix was added to the caption. And you notice that as I select different prefixes, that certain categories will highlight. All the categories remain usable at any given time, but to better identify what category goes with what prefix, you can assign categories to a prefix. So here in our elevation, you can see here all our elevation categories. Like I said, you do not have to use prefixes. We can turn off dwelling and just use the front elevation. And you can see here our categories are still active. And now we have front elevation, hail damage to siding. The third location tab contains a lot of different building rooms. Fourth location tab is kind of a catch-all. For example, we could do front side fence front side. Fence front side, hail damage to wood fence. Those are prefixes. They really add a lot more detail to our captions, but you do not have to use them, or you can try and make a combination of different ones to accurately describe your photo.